From this majestic colonial home in Northwest Portland's highly sought-after Kings Heights neighborhood, you'll enjoy spectacular million-dollar panoramic views. Nestled in the forested hills, surrounded by elegant homes, it's centrally located to everything in this quiet and peaceful setting. Heading inside, discover a gorgeous interior with 1920s character, original hardwood floors, a wood-burning fireplace, and large windows with beautiful views. The formal dining room features a built-in buffet and opens to the oversized kitchen. It features granite countertops, a ceramic tile backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. The kitchen leads to the sunny breakfast nook with French doors to the main level deck, where you can take in incredible views of the city, river, mountains, and valley. On the upper level, you'll find 3 bedrooms, including the master suite, which has abundant natural light, and a relaxing master bath with a deep tub and separate shower. Take in amazing views from your perfectly positioned top-level deck. And you'll find another full bath. On the lower level, a theater room is wired for all your entertainment needs. You'll find a 4th bedroom and full bath, perfect for a nanny or mother-in-law's quarters. A family room with a wet bar and fireplace is ready for casual gatherings. Or you can relax year-round on the covered deck. Living here, you're less than a half-mile to Hillside Park and Community Center, and just minutes from shopping, restaurants, and highways. A captivating home in Northwest Portland's Kings Heights. It's ready for you here to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.